Looks like it's getting dark out. Oh, look at all that blue. Bro, I'm telling y'all, this looks so good, bro. It looks so fire. But yeah, we finna put that vent piece in, which is right there. And then we finna put my glove box in. And then I really get my image of how all this blue is looking with the dash overlay, you know what I'm saying? Permanently mounted in here. I went ahead, well, it's been mounted, but as y'all can see, my trunk release button is right there. So whenever my battery is on, turn my key over, press that button, my trunk will pop. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead, I'm finna order me one of these, you know what I'm saying? So I have another one. I'm not gonna order it yet because I still gotta get the center console right. So once I finish the center console, then I'm gonna order one then, you know what I'm saying? But all right, glove box is now mounted. Bro, I'm telling you, look at that, man. And it is working. So, and then my trunk release button is here. All I do is press that. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. I'm gonna put my locks in here. Y'all see my insurance paper in there? Well, y'all can't see it, but my insurance paper is in there for this. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video, man. And like I told y'all, bro, once we got this dash in, everything else should just flow. Now this video, we finna go ahead and put my glove box back in, and then we gonna go ahead and put the little vent trim that go at the bottom of here. Looks like it's getting dark out. Oh, look at all that blue. Bro, I'm telling y'all, this looks so good, bro. It looks so fire. But yeah, we finna put that vent piece in, which is right there. And then we finna put my glove box in. And then I really get my image of how all this blue is looking with the dash overlay, you know what I'm saying? Permanently mounted in here. So I hope y'all enjoyed this vid, man. We finna, like I said, mount this in here. It should be really quick, bro. The glove box is 4 bolts. This little vent piece is 4 screws. So it should be really quick, really easy to mount up in here. And then the dash is fully complete, you know what I'm saying? Nothing else to put on the dash. Got my trim pieces in. Well, besides my radio. So the radio is gonna be the last piece, but like I told y'all, I'm changing my radio out to Apple CarPlay, so I'm not mounting my other 9-inch radio screen in here. I'm waiting until my Apple CarPlay one comes in, which it should be in within the next 2 days, 3 days, 2 to 3 days, you know what I'm saying? Today is Saturday, I'm recording this, and it said it's supposed to be in Monday or Tuesday. So the next 2 to 3 days, it should be here, and we can mount that on up in here. But I hope y'all enjoyed this vid, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, man, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And let's get right into this video, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it shouldn't be nothing long, shouldn't be nothing too hard. Everything should be really smooth, really easy, and pretty quick. So hope y'all enjoy, like I said, and I'll catch y'all in a second. I gotta get the glove boxes outside the car. Also, I went ahead, well, it's been mounted, but as y'all can see, my trunk release button is right there. So whenever my battery is on, turn my key over, press that button, my trunk will pop, you know what I'm saying? So it's tough. I went ahead and mounted it up in here, and yes, it does work. If y'all want to see it work, you feel me, go to my playlist and click on Oldsmobile Cutlass build, or whatever the title is on that playlist, and you'll see the video where I said I found some hidden gems, and that was one of them. You feel me? My dad had got that put up in here. So yeah, like I said, let's get right into this video, man. Road to 5K. I need y'all help hitting that, so share the channel, share the video, subscribe, do whatever you can, help me reach that goal. But other than that, I'll catch y'all in a second once I get the glove box. All right, guys, so we finna go ahead and get right into this video. Like I said, throw this glove box in. We're gonna throw the lower vent trim in. Then I think I'm gonna call it a day. That might be the last. This might be the last video I record for today. Then tomorrow, I think I'm gonna go ahead and mount up my driver's door DS18 speakers. You feel me? And wire and plug them in. You know what I'm saying? Plug the wires in. That way they'll be in on the passenger side, and that'll be done. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set the bolts for the. Whoops, dropped one. The bolts for the glove box right there. Also, oh yep, let me put that in my phone. I gotta order a new gear shifter because I don't wanna paint this one. I'm gonna just order a black one, a black gear shifter. I'm gonna get it off eBay. 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass black gear shifter. Yes, sir. Here we go. Dang, $90. for a gear shift. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead. I'm finna order me one of these. You know what I'm saying? So I have another one. I'm not gonna order it yet because I still gotta get the center console right. So once I finish the center console, then I'm gonna order one then. You know what I'm saying? But let's go ahead, put this in there, move that clip back, and what I'm gonna do is click this. If I can. For the clip. Alright, click that in. Make sure this is over as far as I can get it. Oh shoot, I forgot. I can't click it in yet. I gotta get this bottom in first. So what I'm gonna do is try to get one of these bolts in. Oh. Bolts in. Go ahead and close it. See if I can. No, it won't slide over none. It's fine though. Get these bolts up in there. The glove box will be done. The glove box is kind of hard to install, but you know what I'm saying, once you get it started, then it's all smooth sailing from there. And I don't understand why the world I'm stuttering so much. But let's go ahead, tighten this down, loosen, tighten all 4 of these down. Bro, I'm telling you, oh my gosh, bro, I'm telling y'all, this looks so good. And this blue is my favorite color, so that's one of the main reasons why I did this blue. This blue is my favorite color, and I'm glad I did this blue, you know what I'm saying? Well worth it. Glad I did this blue, because bro, I'm telling y'all, it looks so good. It looks so good. In person, on camera, both. It looks really, really good. Alright, last bolt. Then the glove box is mounted and finished. And we're gonna put this vent on. Alright, glove box is now mounted. Bro, I'm telling you, look at that, man. And it is working. So, and then my trunk release button is here. All I do is press that. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. I'm gonna put my locks in here. Y'all see my insurance paper in there. Well, y'all can't see it, but my insurance paper is in there for this car. Put my spring spacers up in there. And this extra bowl. I'm gonna put my insurance paper on top of all this stuff here. Actually, I'm gonna put my insurance paper in this little cubby part, cause that looks better. You know what I'm saying? It looks better. Just like that. You have an insurance paper on the cubby. Everything else can come up out of here. Yeah, the rest of this stuff can come up out of here, because I don't know what this wire go to. Or wrench go. I don't know what this is. It look like a fuse. I don't know. But it ain't wired up to nothing. So the rest of this stuff will stay out. These locks gonna come out, but I sat them in here just so I can remind myself. Actually, I'm not even leaving them in there. I'm taking them out. Ain't no need of me having them in there. So yeah, just like it. Glove box is done. So let's move on to this side, and we finna put them screws in. My bad, y'all, for all the shaking. I'm trying to sit y'all up good. All right, so Now I'm gonna move this over here so I don't have to reach over to grab it, and we're gonna put that vent in. Alright, let's get this done. Let's get this done. I dropped the screw. Here we go. Got it. Alright. Now, let's try and tighten this up. If I can find. That's another thing I can't see. It's getting dark outside, that's why I'm trying to see. So I need to finish this video up. It's getting dark out here and I can't see. Alright, the vent is plugged in if y'all was wondering. I did just plug that vent in. Where the freak is the hole? Oh, what the freak? Can't find the screw hole. Oh, what the heck? And I just dropped the screw. I don't know where the freak it went. Oh, I found it. Plug the vent back in. Bro, what the heck? I can't get it. Well, and my light just died. Dang it. Alright, let me try and get this vent on, bro. This is crazy. Alright, man, so flashlight on my camera died, so I gotta use the flashlight on my phone. But if y'all stay to the very end, man, I got a little something to show y'all, you know what I'm saying? So that's what my radio gonna look like with the blue. Like I said, if y'all stay to the end, y'all be able to see this, you feel me? And yes, the radio bezel and the rest of my trim are different. Like I said, the radio bezel is different from the OEM one, and both of them are OEM, so it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I'm not too stressed about it, but y'all can see, got that one on. Took me a little minute, you know what I'm saying? I had to get the screws to get in there right, you feel me? And the overlay was pushing it down, so I mean, which I figured it would. The radio bezel gonna be tight in there, which is good, which is what I want and I need it. And got the glove box on. Look like I might need to re-clear the glove box. I don't know why it looks, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Maybe I'll re-clear it, you know what I'm saying? I got an extra can of clear. Trim, everything, bro. We looking good, man. We are looking good. Now, stay tuned. Next video, like I said, I think, man, my package was supposed to come in today so I could put my stuff on my column, and it didn't come. So we gotta wait on that to come in. When that come in, then we're able to finish the column. The column will be finished, and then I still gotta order the blinker button. You know what I'm saying? So I still gotta order that. So yeah, once I get that, then we're gonna install that as well. But like I said, I need my little pieces for my column, my billet piece. I'm telling y'all now, ordered some billet pieces like I got in my box Chevy for this car, and they were supposed to come in yesterday. Didn't come in yesterday, didn't come in today. So I don't know what the hold up is. I'm guessing it's gonna show up Monday. If it don't show up within the next few days, like I'm gonna give it like 3-4 more days, I'm gonna just cancel the order and reorder it, you know what I'm saying? Or order it from somebody else or something like that, you know what I'm saying? Just figure out something else to do. But the next video, I think I'm gonna go ahead and throw my DS18s in. I'm gonna wire them up, and they ain't gonna have no power or nothing, you know what I'm saying? I ain't ran no power wires or nothing to the battery or anything. So yeah, they not gonna run yet or anything. And for one, the battery's not even plugged up to the car. But I just want to plug up the wires and have them plugged up on this driver door, so they'll be finished. You know what I'm saying? Put my speaker cover on them, and they will be done. You know, so that's probably gonna be the next video. If not, then it's probably gonna be me wiping down everything and vacuuming, because this car is really filthy, and not even filthy, it's just dusty. You know what I'm saying? From the car just sitting at the fab shop. So I need to wipe everything down, vacuum everything down. So it might be the next video. If not, then it's gonna be me installing the DS18 speakers on the driver door. But other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the vid. My ABS plastic should be coming in this week, I'm pretty sure. Let me look and see. I'm sorry it's dark too. It's getting dark. That's why this is the last video I'm recording for today. Amazon. I ordered the ABS from Amazon, if y'all was wondering. Track and manage orders. So yeah, my ABS plastic's supposed to come in the same day as my radio, so that's good. Next week we'll be installing the passenger doors, so we'll be getting that done next week. Y'all stay tuned. So 1 second, y'all. I'm trying to move this so I can make sure I remember when it's supposed to come in. I'm sorry for the shaking. No, dang it, man. Hold on, y'all. Let me try and sit y'all up. Alright, yeah, so like I said, my ABS plastic should be coming in the same day as my radio, so that's a plus. And then my center console bezel is supposed to come in the day before my radio, which is Monday. The radio comes Tuesday with ABS plastic. And then my piece, like I said, that I ordered already, supposed to be here yesterday. You can look at the tracking. It just says in transit to next facility. That's all it's saying. That was yesterday. So I don't even know what the update is. I don't know, bro. But yeah, once they come in, bro, we're gonna install this, so y'all stay tuned for that video. But yeah, man, we got a lot done today, a whole lot done. Got this dash on, got all the trim in. We got a lot done today, and I'm really happy with the progress we're making. So I hope y'all enjoy, man. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video, man. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Road to 5K, so I need y'all help. Share the channel, share the video, do whatever y'all can and help me reach that goal. Other than that, though, I'm finna close up the car, lock it up, and call it a night. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Well, yeah, I'll catch y'all tomorrow, man. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.